Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change your password for Exodus wallet. So let's go ahead and dive into the video since the process is quite easy. Tap Open Exodus application from your device. You will then be asked to enter your passcode. Type in your passcode correct and then you will be able to log into your account. From the main homepage of Exodus wallet, tap on the little waffle menu at the bottom right hand corner and scroll down and tap on Security. Toggle off the button right next to Secure with Passcode and then tap on Remove Passcode. You will now need to enter your current passcode in order to remove it. First, go ahead and type it in, and once you are done, you will be able to disable the passcode option. Now, toggle on the button once again and create new passcode you would like to change to. Confirm your new password once again by typing it down with the help of the keypad. Soon after you are done, you will be able to change your wallet's passcode. Next time you sign into your wallet, you'll now need to enter the newly updated passcode in order to access back to your Exodus wallet. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.